Ever wondered how all those amazing apps, websites, and programs are made? Well, behind every digital creation, there's a lot of code. Today, we're demystifying a powerful tool that many pros use: Visual Studio Code, or VS Code for short. Think of it like a super smart, high-tech notepad specifically designed for writing computer code. It's a free program made by Microsoft that lets you write and work on code easily. While it offers many advanced features, it's generally considered a code editor rather than a full-blown integrated development environment, or IDE, which is a big fancy suite of tools. No, VS Code is more like a lean, mean code editing machine. It helps you write, edit, and organize your code much more efficiently than a basic text editor. So why is it so popular? First, it's incredibly lightweight and fast. It opens quickly and doesn't hog your computer's resources. Second, it's super versatile. You can use it for almost any programming language, whether you're building a website, a mobile app, or even a game. It has built-in support for languages like JavaScript and Node.js, and you can add support for hundreds more with extensions. Third, and this is a big one, it has thousands of extensions. Think of these as little add-ons that give VS Code new superpowers, like helping you find errors, automatically completing your code with IntelliSense, or even making your code look prettier. It also has built-in features like debugging tools and integrated Git support for version control. Who uses it? Everyone from seasoned software engineers to budding student programmers, web designers, and even data scientists. It's widely adopted by developers for web development, front-end development, and various scripting tasks. If you're writing code, chances are VS Code can make your life a whole lot easier. It's available on Windows, Mac, and Linux, so practically anyone can use it. In fact, recent surveys show it's one of the most popular code editors among developers. So there you have it. Visual Studio Code, your friendly, powerful, and free assistant for all things coding. It's an indispensable tool in the digital world. Happy coding. Subscribe for more fun facts.